Here I am up at east end of Sullivan Lake at the campgrounds, and the Pacific Northwest Trail Association trail crew has put in, I believe it is 9 new tent sites, and they are almost done. One thing I see the Forest Service might have forgot is some extra parking, but tent sites often are just used by hikers. And since the Pacific Northwest Trail comes through this area, this is probably what this area will be used for, is by hikers. New fire rings, tent sites being put in, and bare boxes. This gorgeous little site is actually closer to other campers than you would think, but for now, nicely secluded in the brush in the fall.